Have you ever wondered how Venice AI stacks up against ChatGPT? Today, we are diving into a comparison of these two popular AI tools. Both Venice AI and ChatGPT are designed to help users with various tasks. They can generate text, answer questions, and assist in creative writing. However, they have different strengths and features that set them apart. Let's start with Venice AI. This tool is known for its ability to create engaging content quickly. It's great for marketers and content creators who need fresh ideas on the fly. Venice AI focuses on providing tailored suggestions, making it easy to generate content that resonates with specific audiences. Now, let's look at ChatGPT. This AI is widely recognized for its conversational abilities. It can hold a chat with users, making it feel more like talking to a friend. ChatGPT is versatile and can assist with everything from casual conversations to in depth discussions on complex topics. So, what are the main differences? Venice AI excels in content generation for marketing, while ChatGPT shines in interactive conversations. If you need quick content ideas, Venice AI is the way to go. But if you want a friendly chat or detailed answers, ChatGPT is your best bet. When it comes to features, Venice AI offers tools for content optimization and audience targeting. In contrast, ChatGPT provides a more conversational interface and can handle a wider range of topics. Pricing can vary, but generally, Venice AI tends to be subscription based, while ChatGPT often offers free access with premium options. In the end, if you are focused on marketing and content creation, Venice AI is a solid choice. If you want a more interactive experience, ChatGPT will serve you well. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.